In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up calendar to cells in Google Sheets. Adding a pop-up calendar can make entering dates much smoother and ensure that your data is consistent and accurate. Whether you're coordinating project timelines, scheduling events, or just organizing your personal tasks, this feature is super handy. Let's dive into the steps, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. To start with, you need to open your Google Sheets where you want to add this pop-up calendar functionality. Begin by selecting the cells where you'd like the calendar to appear. These can be adjacent cells or even an entire column if you're dealing with a larger data set. Once you've selected the cells, look at the top of your interface and find the Data tab nestled within your menu options. Clicking on Data will present you with a drop-down menu, which is home to a variety of tools and features. From this menu, you'll want to navigate to Data Validation. This is the section where we customize how data can be entered into these cells. Give that a click and it will open up a new window for you to configure settings. In this Data Validation window, you'll see an option to Add Rule. What we're doing here is setting specific conditions that must be met for any data entered into our selected cells. By adding this new rule, you're one step closer to that convenient pop-up calendar. Now shift your attention to the Criteria section within this window. You'll want to select Is Valid Date from the drop-down options. This selection is crucial because it tells Google Sheets that only date inputs will be accepted in these cells, laying the groundwork for our pop-up calendar. Once you've chosen Is Valid Date, you'll notice a checkbox for Reject Input If. Check this box to ensure that any input that isn't a valid date will not be accepted. This safeguards against accidental entries that could throw off your data's accuracy. Finally, to wrap up the process, click on the Done button located at the bottom of the window. This saves all your settings and applies them to your selected cells. And there you have it. You've successfully configured those cells to feature a pop-up calendar. Now, every time you click into one of these cells, a small calendar icon will appear, making it effortlessly simple to select a date. With these steps, adding and selecting dates becomes intuitive, reducing errors and saving time. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other cells or sheets where a pop-up calendar might be beneficial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this Google Sheets tip helps you work with dates more efficiently.